Right, game breaker. Here we go. Incredible point there by Nikit. What placement, and takes an early lead 1-0. And if you're not familiar, ladies and gentlemen, in the game breaker, you win points whether it's your serve or not. So that is a critical difference.
That's right. Each player plays 4 points and then rotates to the next player. Unlike the initial lineup, Sam has come for the first set of 4 points to lead his team. Nick is doing an amazing job keeping him at bay though, taking a 2-1 lead for the Nandi Chargers.
Nikit finds the net. It is all square at 2-2. I think that's a good reflective scoreline of the tie we've had so far, Ramya.
Absolutely. Next up, Karunesh versus Saran. Karunesh finds the net with his serve. Obviously a lot of pressure on all of these players in the game breaker. Saran holding his nerve so far. Nandi Chargers with that slender lead, 4-2.
Overcooks it. Saran overcooks it. Goes long, goes wide. All Stars to serve now at 3-4. Karunesh needs this point to keep the scores level. Oh, but incredible, such lightest of touches. The ball barely bounced there. Now the women come on with Nandi Chargers holding a 2-point lead. Aishwarya from Nandi Chargers serving to Veda, and I think she's mishit that and gives up 1 point. Now Veda for All Stars serving to the Nandi Chargers at 4-5. Equalizes at 5 all. I think she's mishit that, and Veda retains serve and gives up 1 point. Now Veda.
Veda takes 3 points in a row. Can she make it 4, or will Aishwarya break her back and get her team back on serve? 4 in a row. Brilliantly done there, Veda.
That's what you need, a player who can hold on to their wits. 4-0 in a game breaker, that is some advantage.
Next up we have Akshat versus Girish. Also a brilliant matchup. What an angle to find. 2 points in a row. All Stars slowly pulling away. Now at 9-5.
Three points in a row. Again, 10-5 in the lead now. Hits it wide. He had an opportunity to make it 4-0, 4-0 for 2 plays in a row. But the Nandi Chargers get 1 point there. That's the first point they've won in 8 plays so far. They need a few more points as Deepthi comes on to serve to.
That's Namrata.
And she hits it in, takes a point, an important point. You don't want to let the deficit grow too much. Deepthi serving her second serve now. Finds the net. Namrata takes the point for the All Stars and starts to serve at 11-7. 4 points is the difference between the two teams.
Deepti pulls one back. Now serving 8-11.
That was much better from Nandi Chargers. They've taken 3 of the 4 points that were on offer for 9-11 now as the players switch.
Next up, we have Ravindra Verma versus Shrikar Alla. Ravindra Verma takes the first point. Make that 2. Alright, the Nandi Chargers have to feel a bit of pressure at this point. Can Shrikar hold his nerve?
And he's hit it out. All Stars eking out one more sizable lead now. Nandi Chargers making it difficult for themselves. And he's won 4 all of his points that were on offer. All Stars 15-9. That is a 6-point lead, Ramya. For the ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls watching at home, the first team to make it to 25 points wins. Or if you reach up to 24, then it has to be a difference of 2. But remember, you have to win the game breaker on your own serve. Those are the rules, yeah?
That's right. The final matchup that we have is Satvik, also a player from the Challengers, did incredibly well and then got picked up by the All-Stars against Anirudh. Alright, see, the All-Stars do seem to be pulling away now. 17-9. Make that 18. The All-Stars pumped up. Nandi Chargers, you got a feel for them. They were 3-love up in this. It must be playing on their minds. They haven't had the best of luck in the last couple of, maybe last half an hour. Contentious call there. Called in. Sanjay has come all guns blazing and has taken 2 points back to back.
All Stars now 19-12 lead. That's one more for them. They've gotten to 20, just 5 points away. Remember, the Nandi Chargers have come into this weekend with 0 losses, 3 out of 3 wins. All Stars desperately needing a weekend with a win. They've shown up over and over again. They were on a 0-3 deficit this weekend, but they've shown up. They have a 21-12 lead now. Can they see it out? See the match out?
Sam there being his clinical self. Serving at 22-12.
What incredible play there from both of them, but especially Sam though. He was not giving an inch anywhere in the court. He was there. Wherever the ball came, he was there, Ramya. Incredible.
Absolutely the player you want to be playing for you right now. Crucial stages. Nikit firing back, getting 1 point. All right. We have Saran and we have Karunesh. Saran played the first round really well, getting 3 points. Can he make it 4 this time?
That's one back. 14-23. It is a mountain to climb, but it is climbable. Nandi Chargers have done this before. They know how to handle the pressure. And he's made it again. Saran 007. Mr. James Bond has got one more point. It's 15-23 now. Finds the net. Karunesh to serve now at 24-15. He can wrap it up here. They have to wait. It's been called in. Saran gets one more point. 16-24 with Nandi Chargers to serve. But now it's the women. Aishwarya versus Veda. Aishwarya will be serving for this. Can she hold on and for 4 more points?
Veda wins that point for her team, but remember, she needs to win it on her serve, so she still needs one more point to be able to close this out. Can she hold her nerve and win this tie for her team, the All-Stars?
And she can. That has been the story of the evening. Nandi Chargers came with all the questions. The All-Stars had answers and some more. They were undefeated when the evening started. The All-Stars have come here, taken an important win for themselves and delivered their first defeat of the season. Ramya, important victory for the All-Stars. Nandi Chargers cannot be happy with this.
Critical victory for them. They had come into this week with 1 win and 2 losses. This was an important victory for them, and what a way to do it, coming back from Love 3 to close this out in the game breaker. Alright, ladies and gentlemen at home, it was a pleasure having you with us. This is Ramya and Gagan signing off.
Your commentators for tie 2 will be with you soon. Thank you so much for joining us. For any feedback you have about the commentary, please leave comments and we will work on them. Have a good rest of your evening and all the best to the competitors taking the stage next.